Life has been overwhelming lately. The past few days felt like a never ending whirlwind. Deadlines, responsibilities, chaos. It's easy to get lost in the noise. After countless weekends of running around, it hit me. When was the last time we just stopped? No plans, no rushing, just us. So this weekend, we made a choice. Instead of the usual rush, we decided to slow down. A simple nature walk was all we needed. So we are going to do the Kyeema Memorial Walk in the Dandenong Ranges, a beautiful trail with a deep history, remembering one of Australia's significant aviation tragedies. As we walked into the heart of nature, the world around us began to fade. The leaves rustled softly, and the gentle breeze whispered calm into our minds. It felt like nature was calling us back to where we belong. I realized something during that walk. Life is like the forest, tangled, unpredictable, but filled with moments of beauty. We just need to pause long enough to see it. Being out here reminded me of the importance of staying connected, not just with nature, but with each other. We've been so caught up in life. I almost forgot what it feels like to slow down together.
See the bird.
Nature has a way of healing, of calming even the most restless minds. It grounds us, reminds us that no matter how busy life gets, there's always a space to breathe.
Just walk.
By the time I reached the end of the trail, I felt lighter, like the weight of the week had melted away. It's amazing how just a few hours in nature can leave you feeling grounded, and recharged. I wasn't just walking, I was finding my balance again. In the end, it's not about how fast we move through life. It's about the moments we slow down, reflect, and reconnect with nature, with family, and with ourselves. That's where we find true clarity. And as we head into a new week, I know one thing for sure. I'm ready, refreshed, reconnected, and grateful for the simple things that truly matter. Sometimes the best way to reset is to step outside and let nature do the rest. If you are ever feeling overwhelmed, maybe this is the escape you need too.